Are you looking for a simple and straightforward way to put a music on your Instagram notes? This Take Dictamin gonna show you how to do it. First of all, to get the music option on your Instagram notes, you must need to update your Instagram app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. And if you see any update available, update the app. Once done, go to your Instagram, tap on this message icon and tap on Note. Now you can write here for your note, and to add a music to this note, tap on this music icon. And now from this suggested list, you can pick any music to add into your note. Or you can search for a specific song using this search box. So all you have to need is just select a music. And now you can swipe to the left or right side to change the music or song part like this. Once done, just tap on done. And as you can see, the song has been added to this note. Now just tap on share and your note will be published with song. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.